Big trucks pull big trailers, and big trailers need a solid connection. This CURT A25 sliding fifth wheel hitch will keep you hooked up and ready to ride. Anyone who has pulled a fifth wheel hitch knows that you need a solid connection to your truck. This kit comes with the A25 fifth wheel hitch head, a set of rails, and the S25 slider. The A25 hitch head will give you a smoother and quieter ride thanks to the patented cast yoke. It has a fully articulating torsion head to give you more controlled coupling and a stable towing experience. The opening for the coupler is extra wide to get you hooked up easier. Along with the A25, the S25 slider gives 12 inches of travel in the bed, giving you more room for turning in shorter bed trucks. Adjusting the hitch is simple with the easy-to-reach handle, and a great thing about this handle is that it works with a lifting motion. The slider comes in two options, the S20 with a gross trailer weight of 20,000 pounds, and the S25, shown here, comes with a gross trailer weight of 25,000 pounds. If you're interested in purchasing the CURT A25 sliding fifth wheel hitch, or you need help with installation, please check out the store locator either on screen or in the description below, and check back in for more new weekly videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.